Alright, here's how you do this. So simply click in the blank area over here, anywhere by the slides, and then you'll get the option for new slide. Right click, new slide. Now it's going to give you what you last selected. If you don't want this setup that you have here, simply right click on the slide, go to layout, and select one of the pre-filled out ones here. To image, title slide, introduction, or full image. Now you can delete the text boxes if you don't want them, and then add in another image if you'd like. So let's select the to image, and there you go. Now from here you can double click this, and it'll pull up images from your computer that you can navigate to. Or you can simply take an image from a second screen and drag it over to here, and it'll pop in. Click on the title, edit the title. If you don't want it, you can just hit the delete button and it'll disappear. The other thing is you can right click on it, and from here you can either change it out, sizes, shapes, all that good stuff. The other thing you can do too is if you decide that you don't want it, delete. I just hit the delete button after selecting it, and there you go, it's gone. Now if you wanted another image, you would just hit insert pictures, and then it'll let you fill it in automatically. Hopefully this helps. But to recap, also quick note, if you don't want a slide, right click on the slide over here on this menu and hit delete. And then once again, you can hit new slide. I don't like this layout, so I'm going to try like a full image, and there you go. And then I can drop and drag or double click. We could go here, and I could go to downloads, and I can select a photo from earlier. Let's just pick this one. And there you go. It inserted the photo. And if you didn't want it, you can just simply click here and hit delete. Hopefully this will help you out.